Hi there, this is Merle Strom. When it comes to car maintenance, my go-to is SID DILLON in Blair, Nebraska. I have been their loyal customer since I had my 1993 Oldsmobile Achieva. I don't have that car anymore, but here I am 31 years later with their service department still my go-to for my car's health check. I like dealing with their friendly staff from Service Advisor Colton Kesling, car technician Kyle Phillips who recorded and shared this video, and Travis who picks up and delivers my car each time I have service maintenance health check there. If you live in the Blair, Nebraska area, I highly recommend SID DILLON's service department for your Chevy car maintenance needs. Let me show you the video of how the technician assessed my Chevy truck's health before he performed the service maintenance, which is cool. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for coming to SID DILLON Chevrolet. My name is Kyle. I'm going to be your service technician today. I just want to show you a few things on your tracks before I lift it up in the air. First off, I topped off your washer fluid, made sure that your brake fluid over here was at its proper level. And I made sure that your engine fluid was at its proper level as well. I took a look around, and I'm not seeing any leaks or seems to be concerned about today. It's always a great sign. I did take a peek at both of your filters, and they're both looking amazing today. So let's get you up in the air and let's get you on the road. All right, now that I got you up in the air, let's take a look around real fast. I'm not seeing any leaks or seeps on your motor today, which is always a great sign. Suspension is looking really good. Boots are wearing nicely. Alrighty, exhaust is nice and tight. Rear suspension looking really good. No leaks or seeps coming out of them. So let me get this oil change rotate done, and I'll be right back with you. Alrighty, today on front brakes I have 9 millimeters, and on rear brakes today I have 8 millimeters. So you have plenty of life left on both of those. And for tread depths on the rear I have 9 30-seconds, and on the front I have 8 30-seconds. You still have plenty of life left on those. The minimums on the brakes are 3 millimeters, and the minimum on the tires are 3 30-seconds. If you have any questions today, go ahead and ask your service advisor. Again, my name is Kyle. Thank you for coming to SID DILLON Chevrolet, and have a great day.